Hey guys, Brian here with Stokes & Company Restoration Business. It's been a little while since we've made a video here, so just gonna kind of tell you a little bit about what's going on here. So we started this travel trailer project here. This is a FEMA Gulfstream travel trailer. I believe it's 28 feet long. Belonged to an uncle of mine. Set it out on property, and we got a leak in the roof, and the roof rotted, and it fell in, and he generously gave it to me to make a vision that the Lord had gave me to come true. So Psalms 107:9 talks about feeding the hungry souls, and this is going to be used as a concession trailer. Started it about 5 years ago, and I have not finished it yet. Looks like we got some visitors up there we're probably going to need to get rid of. Just noticed that. So there is living quarters up front. It's not completed yet. This set of bunk beds. This has all been done by myself and friends of mine. Got a water holding tank, water pump, fresh water, setting it up just like a travel trailer. It's gonna be a shower over in the corner, and your toilet here. It is just an open part here. So we got the curtain down here so you can't see in there if you're going in there to use the restroom. Set it up, utilizing the factory 50 amp. From the travel trailer. Utilize as much as we can, as in Stokes Restoration. We're taking things that are broken and left, and restoring them. This right here is a dryer vent, 4-inch dryer vent. We're using a portable AC in there, and then that's the exhaust. Since we don't have windows up front here, we set it up with water. Just hook it up with city water and then potable water. So a couple things on here. We took this all the way down to a bare frame. Sorry I don't have any pictures of doing that. Reinforced it with square tubing built on there. Went through the whole trailer from tires and wheels, piped wheel bearings. Built this out of 2x3s instead of 2x4s to give a little bit of lighter weight. Over here on the back, we built a custom built a smoker. Part of it was given to me by a friend. The smoker is in this part, and then my son and I built this part, and I'll show you around on the other side, which got racks, and we're actually going to be taking this off today because we got to get the trailer titled and inspected, and it's a little bit of a process here in Texas, and I've never done it before, so I'm going to kind of take y'all along with me as I do it. It's got some outdoor lights, just a wood frame, metal pole. Built a lot like a tiny house. This is an R panel. This is I got from a local carport where they build carports. A little bit different, a little bit thinner of a metal. I'm trying to watch weight on this. It's got two 6-lug, 5,200 pound axles. So we're looking at 10,400 pounds that we're trying to stay below. So we really set this thing up just as a custom. We took the steps that were on the other side, put them back there at the back. Right here we got some steps from another friend of ours that we took the holding tanks out from under, and we're able to get the steps for it. See if I can get down here and show y'all the holding tanks. So like I said, this is all custom set up, designed with the holding tanks, fresh water, black water, gray water, black water. Trailer brake system, the hitch. I haven't finished up with the batteries and the propane tanks yet. We did acquire from another friend of ours. You can see over there in the over there on the other side of this white truck, there's propane tank. I got from a friend of mine, and then got a fill valve put on it so I can fill up propane bottles. Comes in handy in the wintertime if we don't have electricity and you have to run any type of heat off of that. But let me come inside here and I'll give you a little bit of a quick tour of this. All right, so here's the smoker, firebox. We cook on here primarily. We do all of our cooking on this part of the smoker. You got 3 latches. Looks like we had a pan left over in there. So these grates are, oh, it smells good. These grates slide in and out. Like I said, we custom built this whole part. Fire comes through there. Works pretty well and needs a few adjustments, kind of as anything that you build. All right, so if we go inside, this will be going back into the kitchen. As you can see, we are not finished with the edge. The dirt dog trying to get us. Triple sinks. Like I said, obviously you can see it's still under construction. Sinks are hooked up with the drain. It does have fresh water. Don't have any hot water hooked up yet. Just got a commercial refrigerator in here right now. Finishing up the walls, the insulation. Still, as you can see, this is where we left off at. Putting up some more insulation, and we've got the rest of the wood right here to finish this up. So we're getting there, just finding the time to do this. So this will eventually be our cooking with our sinks. Probably set up over here more prep tables, another bigger refrigerator, shelving up top. We've got a griddle and charbroiler. Eventually may put in a vent hood in here. You got a serving window over here, or it might just be serving outside. This is all part of the ministry, just to reach the hungry souls with the word of Jesus Christ. We're gonna hook it up, take it out of here, and get it set up to pull the smoker off the back, and keep you updated as we go. Hitch and all came from a good friend of mine, Ross McBride. Put a new ball on there. It's got the bars are sitting over here in the grass. Got the bars and everything to go with it. You know, as soon as we start doing one grill, then we see there's another one needs to be cleaned, another one needs to be cleaned. Just a good time to do some manual cleaning. Pull your grates off, just get in there, wash them out. I know everybody's kind of got their own opinion on, oh, don't wash them out or don't do this, but after they get built up so much, I like to clean them up. Even a little smoky from a little Weber. But I don't like to let them sit for too long, because as you know, they will rust once you wash off all this grease and do all this. So I'm gonna let mine sit out here in the sun and dry out really good, and probably this next weekend fire them up, maybe put some pork butts on there. If I do, I'll let y'all in on it.